it's Chris O. How you doing? I've just laid, I talk of we, it's only me. I've just laid the back wall in the same tile as the feature wall in the bathroom. What I'm doing now is they want 3 rows of this pattern tile, same as that, up the centre. So what I'm doing is I've got the centre, I've gone either side 100, I've come over 1.5 mil. There's my straight edge. So what I do now is there's a vanity on this wall, so you go off your longest wall where there's no obstruction, because as you walk in, that's what you see. They might have, I don't know what size the vanity is going to be, but if anything's out of square in this toilet, if you're bang on with that long feature wall, you're home and hose. That can be, this wall can be slightly out of square. You'll never see it because the vanity camouflages it, but hopefully it's right. So what you do is you measure out. Okay, let's make it 290. The owner's here, he's come to check up on me. So I'll come back to you shortly. We'll see ya.